In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import any Notion template. Start by opening Notion in your browser and signing into the workspace where you want to use the template. This is important because the template will be added to the workspace you're currently in, so make sure you're not in the wrong account or team space. Once Notion is open, go to the page or area where you want to import the template. If you've already created a page for it, open that page now. If not, you can create a new page first so the template stays organized and easy to find later. Now look for the Templates section or the template options on that page. Next to it, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open more actions. This menu gives you access to additional options that aren't shown directly on the page. From the menu, click Import. After that, Notion will open an import window. At this point, you can either select the template file from your computer or simply drag and drop the template file into the import area. If you've purchased a template, this is usually the step where you'll upload the file you received. Depending on how the template was shared, it may import as a file, a page, or a supported Notion export format. If the import doesn't work right away, double-check that you're using the correct file and that it hasn't been zipped or renamed incorrectly. Once the file is uploaded, wait a moment while Notion processes it. You should then see the imported content appear in your workspace or inside the page you selected. If the page looks different than expected at first, give it a few seconds to fully load, especially if it's a larger template with databases or multiple subpages. After the import is complete, open the template and review the structure. Make sure all pages, sections, and databases came in correctly. This quick check helps you catch missing content right away before you start editing anything. If needed, you can then move the imported page to a different location in your workspace, rename it, or customize it for your own use. That's especially helpful if you're importing multiple templates and want to keep everything organized. One common mistake beginners make is importing into the wrong workspace or page. If that happens, the template may seem like it disappeared, when it's really just in another location. So before importing, always confirm where you are in Notion. And that's how you import any Notion template. Thanks for watching.